Welcome back to the channel, boys. I'm so happy for today. It's finally drag racing day. I used to drag race a lot, you know, and I missed the hell out of it. I'm not racing today, but I'm gonna see an activity called Barcadera Nights, and it's supposed to be a few cool cars there. My friend is going too, so let's go, boys. Let's go drag racing. I got my drone. Hopefully we can get some nice drone footage and have some fun. Let's go. Go with me and let's have fun. I think my friend had a little too much fun on his 2JZ. 800 horsepower 2JZ right there. A 40 PSI incident. Crazy motherfucker. Hey boys, we're on the way to Palomarga. My friend Jonathan. Let's go. Okay boys, the event is about to start. We have to hurry up because everybody's gotta be home at 10 because the curfew is 10 p.m. So let's haul ass, get some races going, get some footage for you guys, and enjoy. Number one CV shot for today. It's all about the Toyotas today, boys. Caperucita, no? Number 2. Alright boys, drag racing is going great. We gotta hurry up because it's almost 8:30 and we're hauling ass. So let's keep going, film the final races, then we'll haul ass to home. Alright boys, we have to leave. So boring because the curfew, we had a 10 p.m. curfew and the event has to stop short. But we had fun, everything went fine, everything went great. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm leaving a bit early to get some food for the old lady. And then go home, watch some Netflix, work tomorrow. See you next time boys.